Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crop videos in CapCut. Whether you want to adjust the frame or focus on specific details, this tutorial will walk you through the process. Let's jump right into it. First, open the CapCut app on your phone and create a new project. Select the video that you want to crop from your gallery. Once the video is loaded into your project timeline, look at the bottom menu and find the Transform option. Tap on it, and you'll see several editing tools. To crop your video, scroll to the right until you find the Resize button. Tap on it, and you'll be able to choose the crop ratio or manually adjust the frame by dragging the edges. CapCut offers different aspect ratios, such as 16.9 for YouTube, 1.1 for Instagram, or 9.16 for TikTok. Choose the one that fits your needs or crop manually for a custom frame. Once you're happy with how your video looks, tap the check mark in the lower right corner to apply the crop. Then, review your video and make sure everything is in place. When you're done, you can export the video by tapping the Export button at the top right corner. And that's it! You've successfully cropped your video in CapCut. And there you have it. Now you know how to crop videos easily using CapCut. I hope this tutorial helped you get your edits just right. If it did, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more editing tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.